Well, today's the day.
It is indeed.
First time on the bike since...
well, August 23.
Aye, should be interesting.
I'm hoping I can get my leg over.
Could be a short video.
Yeah, could be very short. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Try not to kill each other.
Where do you want to go?
No, that's down to you. I choose when we're driving. You've got to work that out yourself.
New Polzeath or Inkies?
Either one, but I've got to be back by 2. I'm on school.
New Polzeath.
Yeah.
Well, how was that?
It was good. Yeah, as you well know, I'm not so keen on this seat. It's not quite.
Not the seat, the backrest.
No, sorry, the backrest.
Yeah.
But it was surprisingly good. It was actually easier to get on than I thought it would be. I was more worried about you than I was about me. And yeah, I thought you did really well. Carrying that amount of weight. Because
the reason why I've got the sissy bar on rather than the back box is the back box is over 2 stone, so it does make quite a lot of difference. And because I've been riding for 2.5 months again now,
yeah, probably that,
on my own, to take a passenger is quite a bit of difference, so I didn't want to add another 2 stone on the back of the bike. But yeah, I'll give it a couple of weeks and the back box will get back on, because it's got more speakers as well. So I'll drop a picture in here of a car that was parked here the other day. So this is the motorcycle parking. But yeah, a car decided that it deserved it more than a motorcycle. Yeah, we've just shot over a new Polzeath. I'm not sure if I've released a video of Polzeath yet, have I?
I don't know.
If not, I'll be able to add this onto it. But nice sunny day. A little bit windy.
Ice cream van.
You want to go to that ice cream van?
Well, we don't have to.
On the beach?
We don't have to.
Okay, so hopefully the wind's not going to give too much noise over the microphone. Still got to sort the microphone situation out. So again, any help in the comments will be appreciated. Also, if you watch any of the videos where we do go for our walks, that's all filmed on my phone. So today I'm on the GoPro. So be interesting to see if the image is any better. Well, there's your ice cream van. Give him a shout. He's got closer. Just needing to sort of drive down here, then climb up the bank a bit.
Yeah, coffee shop as well.
Coffee shop.
Yeah,
Coffee shop on the beach. Get it all these days.
Yeah. Don't think I'm going to get down this way though.
No. But it is a nice spot here.
Yeah.
I can't even see what that's looking at. Can you see yourself in there?
I think so, yeah.